Welcome to another video tutorial from Oklahoma City University's Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how faculty can create a Microsoft Teams from within their course in D2L. This will be utilizing a new widget within the course called the Microsoft Teams Connector widget. First, log into your course by visiting ocuonline.okcu.edu. Open your course from the course waffle icon. From the course homepage, scroll down, and you're going to see this Microsoft Teams Connector widget. You must be logged in using your Microsoft 365 account as a faculty member. Click the Create Course Team button. If you had multiple sections, this option would be available. Learners can create new private channels. We really don't want that to be turned on. Automatically add instructor to all channels. If your students create channels within the Microsoft team to share with other students, you might want to select that option. Click the Create Course Team button. Now, this widget may actually sit here and spin for up to 2 minutes or more. However, it's not really going to take that long. You can refresh the course homepage. Here you can see I have refreshed my course homepage and it has changed. This link is a direct link to my course's Microsoft Teams. Notice it's going to have the same title as my course. Click the link to open the Microsoft Teams. This will open in the browser, but again, if you have the app installed on your computer, it may open it in the app. I'm going to go ahead and close the app and demonstrate it within the browser. The process is going to be the same. Here you see the Microsoft Teams channel for this course. You will notice across the top that it is giving you a message to activate the team. If you do not activate the team, your students will not be able to receive any updates or join your team meetings. Click the Activate button. Your students will have access. We want this, so I'm going to click Activate. My team is now active. I'm going to click OK. All right. Here is my Teams for my course. In another video, I will show you how you can create a reoccurring meeting using this Microsoft Teams channel meeting. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning.